AutoSense OS 4.0 is capable of understanding up to 7 different sound situations, including calm situation, speech in noise, speech in loud noise, speech in car, comfort in noise, comfort in echo, and music. AutoSense OS 4.0 is also equipped to understand 2 different types of stream signal, media speech and media music. Once the sound situation or stream signal is understood by AutoSense OS 4.0, it's able to choose from more than 200 different setting combinations in order to optimize the hearing aid settings to perfectly match the needs of the hearing aid wearer in that situation. PHONAK hearing aids with AutoSense OS 4.0 take automation to the next level thanks to a special development approach PHONAK has made, and this is to train our hearing aids to understand the types of situations a hearing aid wearer will encounter. So how exactly do you train a hearing aid? To help us understand hearing aid training, I thought I might ask someone who knows a lot more on the subject. One of our research and development experts, Nadim El-Gouini. Nadim, thanks for being with us today. How do we go about training our PHONAK hearing aids?
So let me try to explain this. We use a large database of real-world recordings. These recordings are labeled and our machine learning algorithms are trained to recognize these environments with high accuracy. During training of the system, the signals are analyzed and decomposed into various features such as spectral or temporal characteristics of a signal, and then the system automatically learns those features which best characterize the different situations. During use of the product, the same features are calculated again and compared to the learned features, and the machine learning algorithms then can decide which situation it actually is.
How long has PHONAK been training our hearing aid automatic systems this way?
The first time this approach was used, it was in 1999 in the Claro product. The product featured it was called Auto Select, and it could only distinguish between 2 situations. Of course, at that time the algorithms which were used were not as sophisticated as today, and the amount of data for training was much less, but the basic principles were the same.
So if my calculations are correct, PHONAK has more than 20 years experience training our automatic systems based on real-world recordings. That's incredible. Nadim, are you able to explain what the advantages are of using real-world recordings in this way? Couldn't we just get the hearing aid to respond to the frequency response or the noise level of a situation?
Yeah, good question. So the frequency response and the noise level are just 2 characteristics of a signal, and with the automated training we are able to select from a large amount of different signal characteristics to automatically learn those which best characterize the different situations.
So what you're saying is real-world recordings can help AutoSense OS 4.0 account for real-life situations that maybe don't fit perfectly into the predetermined conditions of our algorithms. I guess this also ties in really well with our goal to manufacture and develop hearing aids that not only help people hear better, they help people live better. A common issue that limits a person's ability to thrive socially is high amounts of background noise. Can you explain to us how AutoSense OS 4.0 responds to a situation that it has been trained to understand as being loud noise?
Well, that depends if the person is moving or not. The new Paradise devices, they contain a motion sensor which detects when a person is moving. If the person is not moving, then the device switches to a stereo zoom processing scheme. When the person is moving, then this scheme is not really appropriate, but the device will reduce directionality such that the person is more aware of the environment and can better localize sounds.
AutoSense OS 4.0 is an intuitive and sophisticated hearing aid system that can suit many situations a hearing aid wearer will find themselves in on a daily basis. With AutoSense OS 4.0, the hearing aid wearer can focus less on the hearing aids that they're wearing and more on the sounds that are around them or that they are connected to. AutoSense OS 4.0 is available in all Paradise hearing aids across all performance levels.